F4 gift card terminal app on Android. Once you go into the app, you will sign in with your location specific credentials, client ID, location ID, terminal ID, terminal password, employee ID, employee password. Select login. By default, it will be brought to the gift issuance screen. To remain signed in, select the three-dot menu, settings, login timeout, and set to never. To change the currency type, select the three-dot menu, settings, currency, and select from the currency that you are currently using. The account number is looking for a gift card number. You can either scan the barcode or type in the card number. If the card has a balance on it, it'll bring up the balance immediately. To run a gift issuance, select the drop down for transaction, select gift issuance, input the amount. It'll tell you the balance of the card. You can print the receipt if you're connected to a printer. Clear will clear out all data. To run a gift redemption, input the card number or scan the barcode. Select the transaction and select gift redemption. Input the amount you're taking off of the card. Select run transaction. You'll get a rundown of the transaction and the current balance. You can print the receipt if you're connected to a printer. To issue loyalty points, go to the Loyalty tab, input the card number, change the transaction type to loyalty issuance, input the amount of points that you want to add on the card, select Run Transaction. You'll get a rundown of the transaction and the current balance. You can print the receipt if you're connected to a printer or dismiss. Redeeming loyalty points, input the card number or scan the barcode. Set the transaction type to loyalty redemption. This will only redeem points if your loyalty program turns into dollars. You want to run a gift redemption. Input the amount of points that you want to take off. Input the amount of points you want to take off. You'll get a rundown of the transaction and current balance. You can print a receipt if you are connected to a printer or dismiss. Promo issuance. You want to select the promo tab, input your card number. You can type in the card number or use the barcode scanner connected to your camera. Make sure the transaction type is set to promo issuance. Select what you're adding on to the card. Input the amount you're adding onto the card. Select done or run transaction. You'll receive a rundown of the transaction as well as the current balance. You can print the receipt if you're connected to a printer or dismiss. Promo redemption on Android mobile app. Input your card number. You can either type it in or use the barcode scanner and use the camera built into your phone. Select promo redemption. Select what item you're redeeming off of the card. Input the amount that you're taking off. Then select run transaction. You'll get a rundown of the transaction as well as the current balance. You can print the receipt if you're connected to a printer or dismiss. To sign out of the app, select the three-dot menu and log out.